Hey guys, so I've been speaking about systems, habits and Notion on this channel, but I've never really shown you how to set it up if you're a beginner. So Notion implemented a new thing called buttons a few days ago, and I used it to create two new things. Number one, a habit tracker, which is basically a database of all your habits. It tracks your habits every day based on what you do and what you didn't do. And number two, a new journaling template, which is basically connected to the habit tracker, and when you do any habit and you tick it off, it basically auto populates the habit tracker. So as usual, this is free for you guys, and let's jump onto the computer so I can show you how to implement this in your lives. Here's a step-by-step guide how to duplicate the pages and use them in everyday life. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will come up to this page. From here, just do I want this. You can do 0 if you want to pay, you can do it, but 0 is good. And once you do it, you'll get these two things. You click on open on both of them, and then you duplicate these pages. So, and the trick is to duplicate the habits tracker first. So you duplicate it. Once you click on it, it will be duplicated into your Notion setup in your app. Same with this. And once you duplicate it, you'll come here. You'll have your habits tracker right here. It's empty. And then you will also have this daily journaling template duplicated. Now you have to use this template and make it your own template for your daily journals every day. So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, you copy everything here. So you can't do a Control C or Command C, so just you select all through your mouse and then you copy it. You can do Command C now, and then you come here and then you click on new, and then you click on a new template, and you come down here, you paste it. Everything is here. You don't have to connect anything because it's already connected to the habits tracker database, and once you duplicate that page, the database is also duplicated here. And now you can give it a name, daily habit tracker journal. Okay, now you're done. You go back and now you see you're here. I have a lot of different templates to show you guys. I've made this one. So you click on this. Okay, you see it's created April 6th. And now to do your journaling, if you click on make your bed and you click on the button on the side, it says created one page and edited one page. So it makes a page in the habits tracker right here, see, and it shows the progress. So you only did one till now, so it shows the progress at smaller, and then you can add and delete more, but this is a basic one. And then like you do more, you click on all of them, and then you click all of them here. The trick is to click one by one. Like once you click this up, click a button here, but whatever you like, I was just showing you guys. And once you come here, it shows you, see, this is completely full right now, and all these are ticked off. And the more you do the daily basis, it will keep adding on it, and you don't have to do anything here. You can just see it. There's also a calendar view which shows you every day. It will, if you click here, it's untitled because I can't add a name through the template, but it will show you what you did. So this is the way you can implement the daily journaling template and the habits tracker into your Notion setup and into your daily lives. And this is a game changer, especially if you are someone who likes to track your habits. It really shows me like what habits I did on one particular days, and it's really good if you see like a month or a week or a year wise, like how many days did I read. And it's an amazing tool to have, and it's very easy. You don't have to do anything after just duplicating this. It's free. So yeah, if you want to be on top of your habits game, your systems game, download these now. Link is in the description box below, and until next time, aloha.